Hey everybody, this is Larry. We're breaking Prizm Basketball. Number 13, Prizm Anthology. So this break is a team break. We sold out, so we're not going to have... I could do that, Steven. That was the goal, Kevin. We're trying to make it a basketball rookie P. That was the goal of it. So anyways, Prizm Anthology, we've got product from 15-16 all the way through the current day. Just one quick rule to clarify. When we do this NCAA stuff, it is the team that the player started the season with on the major draft picks. On the guys that are in the G League, it's whatever their G League affiliate is. None of those guys have very valuable autos. But that's... No worries. Steve, do you want them? You can have them. If you'd like them, you can have them. I can drop you a link. It's $58 for both teams. If you want them, they're yours. Just let me know. So that's it. That's the story with the 1920. If Steve wants those teams, just let me know. And we'll get started with our 15-16 half a box here. Steve, if you want them, let me know. You can pay for them after. I have no problem with that. Let me get my sleeves ready. Alright, first pack. And the base, if you've noticed in your packages, we're just shipping. We take the base, we divide it by 15, and that's how, or by 15, by 30, and everybody gets a stack of the base at random. All right, Aldridge, and our auto right out of the gate, Shabazz Muhammad for the T-Wolves. That goes to Stephen P. I thought he was going to be really good. I have a lot of his cards. I thought he was going to be excellent. I don't know. He just did not work out. And we got Iverson, Ryan Boatwright, and oh, there's a nice one, Larry Nance Jr. for the Lakers. Base rookie, that goes to Braulio. Alright, we got silvers coming up in this pack. There's a nice silver Rondé Hollis Jefferson for the Nets. Mike S. First break. He's playing halfway decent in a relief role right now for the Raps. Rondé Hollis Jefferson Silver Prism. We got a Westbrook All-Star. Robert Parrish the Chiefs Silver Prism. Anthony Davis Fireworks. Josh Richardson for the Heat and Cameron Payne for the Thunder. Josh Richardson, a nice base rookie also. One of my son's very favorite players. Unfortunately, we traded him to the Sixers. Alright, we got another dunk card. We got Aaron Aflalo Hyper, Chris Paul All-Star, Moses Malone Silver, Joe Young Emergent, Brandon Dawson, and this is a Terrence Ross Blue for the Raptors. That is out of 199. Raptors are Stephen P. Got a red wave coming up here. There's a James Harden Silver All-Star for the Rockets. LeBron James All-Star. Damian Lillard Red Wave All-Star for the Blazers. That's out of 350 for Stephen P. Lillard Fireworks Justice Winslow base rookie for the Heat. And Rashad Vaughn. Yes, B23 has the Pelicans. Let me move it off the screen. Hold on. There. Fixed. Alright, we got Marc Gasol Hyper, Paul Gasol All-Star. And the auto, it is Willie Cauley-Stein Trill for the Kings. That goes to Mike M. He's playing some good minutes for Golden State. We got Kyrie USA team, Tyrann Petway, and Ben McLemore. No Ryan Lewis, just McLemore. For the Kings, that goes to Mike M as well. It was a Kings pack. Oh, we got orange here, guys. Gasol. Alright, Tim Duncan All-Star. Stevie Francis for the Rockets. Silver. Emmanuel Mudiay. There's a nice one. D'Angelo Russell. Base rookie for the Lakers. That goes to Braulio. And we got a nice one for the Clippers. Chris Paul Orange. 41 out of 65 for Braulio. Nice one for you. So your LA teams, both with decent ones there. D'Angelo and a Chris Paul Orange. And that is the end of 15-16. Let's move into our 16-17 blasters. What did I do with my cutter? Is it like right in front of my face? Where did I put it? Man, sometimes my disorganization baffles me. Put it on top of here, no? Well, the cutter is missing for a moment. Oh, wow. Good start. I don't think that's his rookie, though. Actually, I think 15-16 is his rookie. Last week we hit 2 silver Sabonis's for Nate out of this stuff. 2. Let's see what we got in blaster number 1. Another orange. My goodness. Al Jefferson for the Hornets. 21 out of 25. Well, that's actually a Pacers card. I'm sorry. Hornets jersey, but Pacers card. That stays with the home team. Then we've got for the Lakers, jersey relic, Brandon Ingram. Probably having a nice go with the Lakers so far. Thaddeus Young, silver. Georges Niang, Justin Holiday, silver. Kyle O'Quinn, rookie. Mozgov for the Lakers, green. Harden, first step. Sky's the limit, Will Barton, green. Second box. Where did my cutter go? It's really troubling me here. I don't understand how it's possible. It didn't move. I've been sitting here the whole time. I think we got another orange, guys. We are, I think, in 5 boxes in a row. I don't know if this case is just weird, but I think this is the 5th case in a row we've gotten an orange. This is an orange patch. Justice Winslow Model, and that is really nice. For the Nuggets, 12 out of 25. Jamal Murray patch. Nuggets go to Jaren, and that is a really nice card. Nice patch, too. Rookie patch 3 color for Jaren. Really nice. Marshall Plumlee for the Knicks, silver rookie. Kenneth Faried, silver. Joakim Noah for the Knicks, green. Tony Parker, first step. Sky's the limit, Aaron Gordon and Henry Ellenson, rookie for the Pistons. All right, 17-18 now. These stick together sometimes. Justin Jackson, Emergent. Wow. Oh, no, I thought that was the rookie. It's not. Still cool. Hyper, Ben Simmons. Hyper, Ben Simmons for the Sixers. That goes to Steve W. I thought that was the rookie. We got a red wave, Edmund Sumner. He's been getting a little bit of run for the Pacers. Wayne Selden for the Grizzlies. Second pack. What's up, Justin? How are you? Alright. Got blue ice coming up in this one. Jordan Bell for the Warriors. Fundamentals, Giannis. Steve Kerr, silver. The blue ice is Dario Saric for the Sixers. Pretty good, man. Pretty good. The Saric for the Sixers is 9 out of 99. That is jersey numbered. 9 out of 99. Sixers go to Steve W. I thought he was going to be much better than he has turned out. They traded him and he just has not produced in the same way. Tony Bradley, rookie for the Jazz. Donovan Mitchell, Emergent. Dwight Powell, silver. It's a D'Angelo Russell show, but this one goes to the Nets. Blue, that is out of 199 Nets for Michael S. This fourth card always sticks to the card in back of it. I don't know why that is. Alright, we got Mike Conley. Fundamentals. Tyler Ulis for the Suns. There's a nice James Harden red wave. No number, but pretty cool looking. No huge booms yet in this break. Best card we've gotten, I think, is that Jamal Murray patch. That's pretty cool. Alright, we got Semi Ojeleye for the Celtics. Wes Iwundu for the Magic. I wonder what else we're going to get in this box. That's funny. And I didn't Iwundu that we were going to get another Iwundu. But we did for the Magic and Braulio. Covington, silver. Gortat, Hyper, Fundamentals. I didn't Iwundu that. I didn't Iwundu if that was going to happen. The last pack is 17-18. And we get into the bigger boys. Furquan Kormaz for the Sixers. John Wall Fundamentals. Nurkic, get hyped. There's Hassan Whiteside Silver, get hyped for the Heat. And a Jawoon Evans rookie for the Clips. Alright, let's roll into NCAA Prizm. And we found the cutter. Yay! One, two, three. Isn't this supposed to be 5 packs? Oh, okay. It is 5 packs, I just can't count. Alright. And away we go. I will need help on some of these autos of the more unknown fellas. So, Cam Johnson, Darius Garland. We got an R.J. Barrett Silver for the Knicks. All-Americans. Jalen Hands Wave. We got a P.J. Washington. Orange for the Hornets. Our auto is one I will need help with. William McDowell White. William McDowell White. We will need help on that one. RJ and Jackson Hayes. Exactly. This is a red, white, and blue auto. I could kind of see it, so those are usually low numbered. Poole, Schofield, Tybal, Silver, P.J. Washington, yellow and green. Those are normally numbered. This one is at a 249 for the Hornets. Hornets are Matt M. Nice one. Keldon Johnson, purple. And this is, he was drafted. Jalen McDaniels. Red, white, and blue auto. I need help with a team on him. That's out of 99. It's like Raptors or Spurs, one of those. And we got Kevin Jelly and DeAndre Hunter. McDaniels is in the regular set, I'm almost positive. Okay, let me put it separate. Spurs. Keldon Johnson, that one I know. Uh-oh, we got Mojo in this one. The auto is a Mojo. Nikhil, Chuma Okeke, Jackson Hayes for the Pelicans. Romeo Langford for the Celtics. Grant Williams, that looks like bronze out of 149. For the Celtics, the auto is a Mojo of Devontae Cacok. Devontae Cacok. Another one I need to look up. That is numbered to 49. Devontae Cacok. Lots to look up here. McDaniels was drafted. Hornets. I knew he was drafted. Thank you. So Hornets, that goes to Matt. He has cards in regular Prizm. I'm almost sure. Cacok, yeah, I couldn't even say it one time fast. We'll have to look those up. Tybal and Langford. Alright. Foreman, Edwards, Langford, Silver. There's a nice one for the Timberwolves. Jarrett Culver, Wave. That is out of 299. T-Wolves go to Stephen P. Justin Wright, Foreman. And we got Dylan Windler, who I think is Cavaliers. Dylan Windler, Silver Auto. Someone let me know if that is Cavs, but I believe it is. Cavs, that's what I thought. I don't even need to write it. So that goes to Matt. And we got Okpala and Kabengele. Alright, last pack, Hachimura, Hunter. We got a silver Cabangeli for the sixth. Oh, I have not seen one of these. This is with snakeskin parallel. This is a Mojo Tyable for the Sixers out of 49. Nice one for Steve W. That's number 26 out of 49. Hard for you guys to see it, but it's there on the ball. Then this is the Snake. Oh, huge auto, too. Wow. Is that numbered? Yeah, out of 25. Boom. All right, first we got a Snakeskin Fernando for the Hawks. Hawks are Stephen P. This is not numbered, but I have not even seen one of these. This is a good card, dude. He's starting to get run. He's started a couple games for them. These are pretty rare. Yeah, it's a good one, man. Yeah, I haven't seen it. I read it on the box, but I have not pulled one yet or seen one. And then the auto is awesome. I don't know who has this team. K Caucus Lakers, you got it. Thanks, Braulio. Wait till you see this auto. Biggest card of the break so far. And it is going to Frank B., the most underpriced team of the break. Rui Hachimura. 5 out of 25 blue scope auto for the Wizards. So far, that's the hit of the break. Still got 2 good boxes to go. Rui Hachimura, 5 out of 25. Nice one. Let me clean up this pack. We had a lot of numbered cards there. I don't know if we did the rest of the pack. Cabangeli, Hunter, Rui, Quindary Weatherspoon, and Keldon Johnson. All right. Next. Retail Prizm from this year. We'll do the Luka box last. This will be done in 2 super pack stacks. What I've noticed in these, they put a lot of the rookies on the back, like that. So, Jaron, you're on the board with at least a regular Zion. There's Murray's guy. We do have points, they will be randoms. You can see a lot of these retail boxes with points. Nope, we got an actual auto. Alright, Garland Emergent. Kevin Garnett Silver for the Timberwolves. Carson Edwards for the Celtics. Tyler Hero Instant Impact for the Heat. Jarrett Culver for the T-Wolves. DeAndre Hunter Emergent. Daniel Gafford for the Bulls. Our first wave. It's a nice one for the Sixers. Charles Barkley. Red wave that is not numbered. Silver Kyrie Irving for the Nets. Admiral Schofield for the Wizards. Trae Young Dominance for the Hawks. Eric Pascal for the Warriors. Luka Get Hype for the Mavs. Our auto for the Cavaliers. Channing Frye. Cavs go to Matt M. We got a Chandler Parsons Red Wave for the Hawks. Goga Bidadzi for the Pacers. Silver's Ricky Rubio. John Henson green. There's the Zion. Pretty nicely centered. Rui Hachimura silver. Instant impact of Matisse Thybulle for the Sixers. Alright, the other half, let's see what it produces. We know it probably won't have another auto. So far, so good. Big card we've gotten so far. We had a Rui Hachimura out of 25 auto. Alright, Matisse Thybulle, red wave for the Sixers. Nice one for Steve W. Darius Baisley. We got a silver Terry Rozier. Green Karl Malone for the Jazz. Okpala for the Heat. Dominance Paul George. That is it. Clippers. Clippers, not Thunder. Kevin Porter emerging for the Cavs. Jalen Hands for the Nets. Silver DeAndre Jordan for the Nets. Kelly Olynyk green for the Heat. Dominance Klay Thompson for the Warriors. Cody Martin for the Hornets. That is Culver for the Timberwolves. Silver is Eric Gordon. Nickeil Alexander-Walker for the Pelicans. Magic Johnson for the Lakers. Bidotsi for the Pacers. And that is our retail box. Now we move on to the big box that makes up like 40% of this break. Thybulle is actually really nice. Red wave looks cool with the colors. Alright. Good luck, everyone. Last week we pulled a Luka Purple Ice. Big money card. Alright, we got Grayson Allen for the Jazz. Evan Fournier silver for the Magic. Markkanen all day. Hyper Tristan Thompson. Diallo for the Thunder. Number 2. Jerome Robinson for the Clippers. Oh, another blue ice rookie. Michael Bridges, pretty nice for the Suns. Centering a little off left to right, but pretty nice for Stephen P. Michael Bridges, blue ice. Fireworks Ben Simmons, a red wave Shaq for the Lakers. I wouldn't, Steven. Centering is not great. If you want to, I will, but my recommendation is a nay on that. It's your call. It's your card. I almost never tell you no, but on that one I would not. Totally up to you, though. There's a Luka base for the Mavs, and it is really nice. You want me? I can send it to you with the Keldon, and you can look at it yourself and then decide. How's that sound? It's a nicely centered one, too. And our auto is pretty nice, too. This guy's been playing great for the Bucks and Jaren. Dante DiVincenzo. Another team that is attractively priced in this break. We have not moved it up, and he's balling. No, you got a second year, a nice hyper second year though. Courtney Lee hyper. You also got a nice Matisse Thybulle. Steve. Sixers have had a decent break. Kyrie Thomas for the Pistons. Hassan Whiteside silver for the Heat. Dwayne Wade. We got a purple Chris Dunn for the Bulls going to Shannon. Blue rookie Chemizi Mitu for the Spurs. That goes to Steven, 121 out of 199. Chris Paul, Carmelo for the Rockets, Red Wave, and the rookie Jaren Jackson. That's another nice one for the Grizz. Grizzlies are Mike M. The base are cut perfect out of this box. The inserts have all been a little off. Bruce Brown for the Pistons. Silver Thaddeus Young. Fireworks Anthony Davis. John Henson Red Wave. Mitchell Robinson for the Knicks. Lonnie Walker for the Spurs. Seth Curry. Shai Gilgeous, luck of the lottery. Shabazz Napier. Please have a good DK night. For the Nets. We need Shabazz to ball out tonight. Ooh, please go here. Alright, we've got 5 packs left. Yeah, that's the one I use. Now that football's over, I'll start getting into basketball. I'm not nearly as good at basketball as I am at football. I'm a donator in basketball. Another purple heist. My goodness. Is it another rookie? Trier for the Knicks. No, it is Evan Fournier for the Magic. Westbrook, TJ Warren, Red Wave, Gary Trent for the Blazers. Bagley for the Kings. Pretty good box for base rookies. Dwayne Wade. Go hard or go home. Prizm. Chris Paul Fireworks. Bam Adebayo. Hyper. Cool. I know Drummond. Oh, we got points, guys, so we will have a random. 250 points. We will random at the end of this. Robert Williams for the Celtics. Jacob Evans for the Warriors. Jalen Brunson for the Mavs. There's a decent silver. Rodi Kurucs for the Nets. You've had a pretty nice first break with the Nets, Michael. I mean, you've hit about as much as they can hit. Between the only thing you didn't get is Murray's guy from Michigan. The other guy, you hit Rondé, you hit Rodi. That's not bad. Jeff Green, Prizm, Huerter rookie. I don't think they have too many other guys you could hit. You had 2 silvers. Oscar Robertson for the Bucks, red. That is 183 out of 299. Damian Lillard. Whoa! Bad print line, but nice card. See that huge print line across there? You can see it even in the screen, but still nice. Trae Young, Red Wave. I'll send that to you with the other one. You can decide what to do with it. So many cards with problems. Those are the other 3 in that pack. Last pack. Okay, you got it. Let me find him. At least that one, you can see exactly what's wrong with it. I'm putting it in your PSA holder. That one I don't have to send you to see it. We got a silver Drummond, DeAndre Jordan, silver Lonzo Ball, and a Chandler Hutchinson base rookie. And that is the break. Let me run the random for the 250 points. Let's roll our dice. We got a 9, guys, 5 and 4. We're going to run it 9 times. Let me just set the randomizer up for this. All right, here we go. 9 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The Raptors. That is Stephen P. gets the points. And that is the break. I can run a quick recap for you guys of the bigger cards, the ones I put into sleeves. We can look at Steven's PSA cards here. Recap, we had a Bruno Fernando Snakeskin, a Trae Young Red Wave. We also had a Dante DiVincenzo auto, a Luka base, Rui Hachimura auto, 5 out of 25. Pretty nice. And we had a Michael Bridges Blue Ice, a Keldon Johnson Purple, and some more recap. Kuruk Silver, Jaren Base, Me Too Blue, Tybal Red Wave, pretty nice one. Zion Base, Matisse Tybal Mojo out of 49, Jarrett Culver, Dylan Windler, Jalen McDaniels Red, White, and Blue, PJ Washington, Wesley Iwundu Auto, James Harden Red Wave, D'Angelo Russell Blue, Dario Saric Blue Ice, Ben Simmons Hyper. That's one of the nicer cards we got. This is Jamal Murray Rookie Patch, 3 color out of 25. Brandon Ingram Rookie Patch, D'Angelo Russell Rookie, nice Chris Paul Orange out of 65. Ben McLemore Red Wave, Willie Cauley-Stein Auto, Terrence Ross Blue, Josh Richardson Base, Rondé Hollis Jefferson Silver, Larry Nance Rookie, and a Shabazz Muhammad Rookie Auto. And that was the break, guys. Not as good as last week's, but certainly not terrible. A lot of nice cards. We'll be back with it. Next week, we'll be off, but we'll be back with it the first. It looks pretty good to me. So, yeah, I will go with it. I'm going to put it right down for you right now. I got you, Frank. You're good to go. So next week, there will be no Prizm break, but I will be back. And also, Prizm break is actually off for 2 weeks because the next week we're going to be at the Upper Deck show. So we'll be back with its second week of January. Prizm will be back in the same format. We will put it in a store now. Prizm Hobby Boxes, Joe, are about $845 last I looked. $18.19. So that is the story. So look for it the week. I'll be back. You know what? Maybe